The WANIDEA Flameless Candles Lamp presents itself as a charming and practical lighting solution that combines ambiance, safety, and portability. This product has gathered a strong positive reception from users across the internet, and this review consolidates their experiences to provide a comprehensive understanding of its performance and features. The lamp is designed to mimic the gentle flicker of a real candle flame without the hazards of an open flame, making it particularly suitable for households with children or pets. It offers two distinct lighting modes, a warm, steady light and a flickering candlelight mode that simulates the natural movement of a flame. This dual mode feature allows users to select the ambiance that best fits their mood or activity, whether it be relaxing, reading, or providing a soft nightlight. One of the standout features of this lamp is its stepless dimming capability. Both lighting modes can be adjusted smoothly from bright to dim, giving users precise control over the light intensity. This adaptability makes it ideal for various situations such as studying, breastfeeding, or simply winding down before sleep. The lamp's compact size and cordless design add to its versatility, allowing it to be easily moved around and used in places where traditional lamps might be inconvenient, such as camping trips or outdoor settings. The lamp is powered by a rechargeable 500 mAh battery, which provides impressive endurance. On the highest brightness setting, it can last up to 8 hours, and on the lowest setting, it extends to about 100 hours. Charging is straightforward and quick, taking approximately 1.5 hours via the included USB Type-C cable. This efficient charging and long battery life mean the lamp is ready to accompany users through multiple nights without frequent recharging. Additionally, a 15-minute delayed shutdown feature is included, which is particularly useful for children's bedtime routines, allowing the light to fade out gradually without the need to manually turn it off. The lamp's design is another aspect that has received high praise. It features a unique torch stump shape combined with a cute little fire flame, giving it a rustic yet playful aesthetic. This makes it an attractive decorative piece during the day as well as a functional light source at night. The materials used, including HIPS plastic, silicone, and acrylonitrile butadiene styrene, contribute to its durability and lightweight feel. Users have reported that the lamp withstands accidental drops and rough handling, which is a testament to its sturdy construction. From a usability standpoint, the lamp is very intuitive. It uses a push-button switch for power and a touch-sensitive control on the front to adjust brightness. The toggle switch on the back allows quick switching between the candlelight flicker and steady white light modes. This simplicity in controls makes it accessible for all ages, from children to adults. The lamp's portability is enhanced by its cordless nature, freeing users from the constraints of power outlets and allowing placement anywhere from bedside tables to outdoor campsites. Customer feedback highlights several benefits. Many users appreciate the soft, warm glow that is easy on the eyes, especially during late-night activities like homework or reading. It provides enough illumination without being harsh or glaring. The flickering candlelight mode is noted for its realistic effect, creating a cozy and calming atmosphere that helps with relaxation and sleep, particularly for those with anxiety or children who need comforting nightlights. The lamp's compact size and cute design also make it a delightful gift option for various occasions such as Christmas or Halloween. Some minor drawbacks have been mentioned, primarily concerning the charging cable length, which some users found too short for convenient placement near power outlets. This issue is easily resolved by purchasing a longer USB cable, but is worth noting for those who plan to use the lamp in fixed locations. Another consideration is that the lamp is not water resistant, so it should be kept away from moisture or outdoor environments where it could get wet. Overall, the WANIDEA Flameless Candles Lamp excels as a safe, stylish, and functional lighting accessory. It combines the charm of candlelight with modern technology to deliver a product that is both decorative and practical. Its long battery life, adjustable brightness, and dual lighting modes cater to a wide range of uses, from bedtime routines and reading lights to ambient decor and emergency lighting during power outages. The positive user experiences reflect its quality and reliability, making it a highly recommended choice for anyone seeking a flameless candle alternative that is cute, durable, and versatile. If you own this lamp, consider leaving a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The link to the product is in the description, and using it supports the channel. This lamp is a great addition to any home or travel kit, offering both comfort and convenience in a compact package.